Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. My name is Clinton Leto, and today we'll be previewing a game against RTU. Now, Real Tamale United are a very strong team, and I'm sure that they are going to give us a tough fight when we face them tomorrow at the Bavaria Stadium. Now, I know Kotoko fans have the end for the opportunity to, fight back and get rid of that negativity in the squad after that King Faisal defeat. And I said in our last video that we should have played House of Oak so that it would give us the momentum into the next games in the Ghana Premier League. But the GFA, I don't know what they are doing. They decided to postpone that game to give us time to prepare for the next Premier League game. So I think it's going to be a crucial game tomorrow. Real Tamale United, David Abagna has been a very good player this season. I think he has scored 6 goals so far as the top goal scorer in the Ghana Premier League. He's one of the players that will be looking to perform against Kotoko. You know, these players, if you give them hype or they're in fine form, when they reach Kotoko, they want to play as if as the World Cup finals. You see, David Abagna was trying to play like Lewandowski tomorrow against Kotoko. So I'm sure that our defense will be capable. That's if we have learned from our past mistakes. I'm sure our defense will be capable to hold players like David Abagna and all the attacking threats they have. Because if we hold only David Abagna, I'm sure there are other players that can step up and score goals, just the way King Faisal did, in the absence of Osman Ibrahim. So I am not expecting Kotoko to underrate RTU tomorrow. It's going to be a very crucial game, even more important than a King Faisal game. I'm sure that Prosperity will tell the boys, psych them and tell them that this is an opportunity to bounce back from that terrible, disappointing defeat. It's an opportunity for you guys to go out there and make yourself proud. And I'm very pleased that Rich Molamte, Richard Bedu and some other players are coming back into the team, Christopher Nate and the rest. I think the only sad news about that particular game is that Mudasiru will be missing that game due to accumulated yellow cards. I posted today on Twitter that Mudasiru is very crucial in Kotoko. The game against 11 Wonders, he made a very crucial tackle and he passed the ball for Samuel Boateng to score the goal. So I'm very sure that his absence, we are going to feel it, but I hope we don't feel it that much because we have other players that can fill in for him. I just hope we pass this hurdle against RTU, because if we don't win this game, it's going to put more pressure on the boys and it's going to affect morale. So I'm expecting Kotoko to go all out and play RTU and win them and get all 3 points. Razak Abalora has been very crucial for Kotoko in the past few games. Just that King Faisal game was a disappointment, everyone should forget. I think a return of Christopher Nate, Rich Malamti and Richard Bedu will augment our midfield and make it solid in that particular game. Our attack, George Mfuigi has gotten the momentum and the confidence booster he needed with the 2 goals against King Faisal, and Samuel Boateng will have to step up when both of them partner against RTU, because I'm hoping both of them to continue up front against RTU tomorrow. So I'm expecting a very good game from the boys. Isaac Opong, Fabio Gama, the rest, I'm expecting a very good game for them too. I'm hoping Steven Amanko now will have the opportunity to feature in that game, because fans have been calling for him to feature in games since he's one of the players everyone expects to explode as Kotoko. So far it hasn't been the case, but I'm expecting him to get the opportunity again against RTU to show the coach how important he is to us. Now, there are also reports that Abdul Ghani will be leaving for AFCON and all that. I have no credible source for that particular news, but I'm sure that he will do his best while he's here. If he's called to the AFCON, I'm sure that he will go there and give them his best. I'm sure that we have players that can, cover for him until he comes back from the AFCON. It's just a month, few weeks tournament, and it will be done and they'll come back and all that. But I'm sure that our defenders have been sacked, have been motivated, and ahead of all these things, especially against RTU tomorrow. I'm sure that they have been motivated and told that, see, this is what happened in last game, we didn't do well, this game we have to step up. That's why I'm very pleased that Kotoko played against Asakem in the friendly game, so that the coach will say, okay, I have an idea of players I'm going to play in the RTU game. These are the players that impressed, these are the players that had doubts, but this Asakem friendly has given me the idea that this is a player that will feature in that game. So I'm expecting Prosperity to pick the strongest possible lineup for RTU game. I'm expecting Kotoko to beat RTU. My prediction will be 3-1. Yes, my prediction will be 3-1. Kotoko win 3-1 in that particular game. I'm expecting Fabio Gama to give an assist. I'm expecting George Fury to score a goal. I'm also expecting Isaac Opong to score a goal. Yes, that's what I just want them to just impress and make up for the Kingfisher of the Fit, because the fans were very, very hot. Me personally, I was hurt, but I'm trying to forget it. The fans were very hurt after that Kingfisher of the Fit. So I think it's going to be a very crucial game tomorrow. But I know that Kotoko will get all 3 points when Kotoko hosts RTU at the Barbara Stadium. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? Which players do you think will be crucial in that encounter? Do you think Kotoko can beat RTU with the current squad we have or the current players we have? Do you think that this starting lineup, particular team we have that's compared to the Kingfisher game, do you think the players can step up and beat RTU at the Barbara Stadium? I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. My name is Clinton Leto. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.